And on the Tesla front, we're talking about the Cybertruck. Finally, it is rolling off the assembly line. I guess critics would say 2 years late, but it is. It's right there. It's on my screen. I can see it. What do you have there in terms of details?
Yeah, the news of that over the weekend causing Tesla stock to charge higher here. Earlier today, hitting levels not seen since fall of last year. But yeah, Tesla tweeting out that pic of that first Cybertruck produced at Giga Austin. Now, like you mentioned, 2 years after Tesla said the Cybertruck would come out, but nonetheless, here it is. Now, what we don't know if this is just a pre-verification build, meaning the truck was just the first to go through the production line and won't actually be put on for sale. So we'll see what Tesla and CEO Elon Musk have to say about that. But it sounds like Tesla is on track for holding that customer delivery event later this year in Q3 and beginning limited production of the Cybertruck at Giga Austin.
Gary Black has just listed 9 interesting catalysts for Tesla's stock in the coming months. And even more, he's also raised his price target for the stock. No doubt Tesla's stock price has fallen in the past week, but we believe investors could be looking at a bounce if a couple of things go right. In this video, we're going to look at Gary Black's 9 Tesla stock catalysts for the rest of this year and explore how each of them could increase Tesla's stock price in the near future. We're also going to find out what Black's new Tesla price target is and his expected time frame for Tesla stock to reach that price. So keep watching as we bring all the details.
If you can think back, when was the first time you had a thought that something was possible that no one else believed?
Well, I'm not sure that no one else believed, but because it's usually somebody that believes something, however preposterous that might be. But let's say when most people didn't believe it or didn't think it was true, obviously I think electric vehicles would certainly put into that category. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I think we can turn it up in the room a little bit louder, please.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Elon. Go ahead.
So, yeah, I wouldn't say that nobody, if we're looking at, say, electric vehicles and reusable rockets, I think most people did not think that would happen. A few did, obviously, but most people did not. For me, the technology, it seemed quite obvious from a physics standpoint. If you look at, say, an internal combustion engine car, it needs an electric motor and a battery just to start. So it's an incredibly complicated device, a combustion engine car, and the only reason battery cars did not take off was range. So as soon as you have something with high energy density like lithium ion, and you have now a range that matches people's needs, then there's really no need for the complexity of an electric car.
Tesla is not just an auto manufacturer, but also a technology company at its core. And this is best reflected in its ongoing advancements in battery technology, which have far-reaching implications, not just for Tesla's vehicles, but also for the broader renewable energy sector. With electric vehicles predicted to present a significant portion of global vehicle sales in the next decade, Tesla's established dominance in this market is a factor that cannot be ignored. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. At the time of this video, Tesla's stock price sits at just below $260. But Gary Black sees the stock price at $320 per share in the next 6 to 12 months. And here's why. Number 1. Stable auto gross margins in Q3. Tesla is currently the leader in the EV sector, generating $31.5 billion in 2020. And in 2021, during its January earnings release, Tesla said it believes that it will achieve a 50% average annual growth in its vehicle deliveries. It's no news then that Tesla's price cuts for its cars earlier this year did actually make a big impact, and this move has, in a way, eaten into its profit margin. But this is all for good. Tesla saw a need to lower car prices, and it did. While there could be a significant variation in Tesla's profit margin over the coming months, things will no doubt stabilize in no time. Before we continue though, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Number 2, Model 3 refresh Highland in Q3. The Tesla Model 3 was officially launched in 2017, and first deliveries in Australia came in 2019. Since then, it's been the best-selling electric car in Australia for multiple years, before losing its crown to the Model Y in 2023. A number of reports suggest that Tesla's recent global factory upgrades may have made for a refreshed Model 3, which is also known as Project Highland. Tesla already has a price target of 1.8 million vehicles deliveries this year, and with this latest announcement, it could actually hit that target if it can ship them. And it's likely that the first production cars may start to come off the upgraded production lines by Q4 this year. Number 3, Cybertruck delivery begins in Q4. The Tesla Cybertruck isn't just an electric counterpart to former groundbreakers like the gas-guzzling Hummer SUV from GM in the early 2000s. It's a statement, a symbol of the shift towards environmentally friendly vehicles, and will attract environmental conscientious customers. Earlier this year, Gary Black predicted that Tesla could deliver 10,000 Cybertrucks in 2023, and now the Tesla investor has said that the Cybertruck will become a rolling billboard, captivating onlookers and driving even more orders for other Tesla models. Number 4, Tesla starts FSD licensing deals with OEMs in Q4. There is a widespread adoption of fully autonomous vehicles with FSD software showing a potential to significantly impact the automotive industry and the future of transportation. According to a tweet by Tesla CEO Elon Musk, Tesla is planning to license Autopilot and even its FSD suite to other companies. The announcement came after Tesla struck a deal with Ford to open its supercharger network to the automaker. By licensing its FSD technology, Tesla opens up new modernization avenues beyond just its vehicle and energy production sales, and this could significantly increase its income, making the company more financially robust. Number 5, FEDs pivot on interest rates Q4. According to recent reports, the Federal Reserve has approved an interest rate hike that takes benchmark borrowing costs to their highest level in more than 22 years, and experts claim that the midpoint of this target range will be the highest level for the benchmark rate since early 2001. These interest rate hikes have been a significant issue for a lot of companies, including Tesla, and so a reduction could be the much-needed relief that these companies seek. Number 6, $7,500 EV instant rebate in 2024. The EV tax credit has been extended and revamped under the IRA of 2022, which means that people buying vehicles through 2032 may be eligible for these benefits. These EV buyers may be eligible for a tax credit as high as $7,500, and used electric car owners may qualify for up to $4,000 in tax breaks as of 2023. If fully implemented, then Tesla users stand to enjoy even lower prices on cars. Number 7, Tesla does $10 billion share buyback in 2024. A share buyback has been anticipated by several Tesla investors, like Gary Black and David Kali, co-founder of the Future Fund, and they've previously written an open letter to the Tesla board suggesting a $10 billion share buyback. If Tesla buys back its shares, it can concentrate its shareholder value rather than dilute it, and this will consequently increase Tesla's stock price. Number 8, FSD Alpha version 12 in 2024. Tesla has said that its FSD software will one day be much safer than the average driver on the road. And in recent times, this software has indeed been revolutionary. Elon Musk has expressed his optimism about FSD, stating that Tesla would have a significant FSD breakthrough, a transformative takeover that he describes as a ChatGPT moment. This commitment to pioneering tech advances is yet another reason to keep a keen eye on Tesla. The automaker's pursuit of excellence goes beyond just creating unique vehicles, and it extends to technologies that are set to redefine our future. Number 9, Tesla produces a $25,000 to $30,000 compact car in 2025. Elon Musk said in 2022 that Tesla is looking forward to a next-generation platform that will cost half of what the Model 3 and Y platforms cost to produce. The excitement around this new platform is that it's going to be the basis for the much-anticipated $25,000 Tesla, and will harness the full potential of production enhancements such as the Gigapress, which casts large chassis sections in just one piece. But what do you think about Tesla catalysts just like this? Let us know down below, and for more exciting updates on Tesla, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there!